In the very first lecture of this course, we learned that when JavaScript was created, it was created for browsers. JavaScript programs were only capable of running inside the browser. Outside the browser, it was not possible to execute JavaScript code. However, JavaScript has evolved a lot since the time it was created, and there are many different versions of JavaScript which has been released so far. Some versions is supported in all the browsers, whereas some does not have support in older browsers. So those JavaScript versions which is not supported in older browser but which can only execute in the modern browser, we call it as modern JavaScript. And it is very important to talk about JavaScript versions because that is just something which every modern JavaScript developer should be aware of. And in addition, you will see these topics coming up in the developer community all the time. So JavaScript has evolved a lot since the time it was created, and many different versions of JavaScript are available today. And as I mentioned, some versions are supported in all the browsers, whereas some does not have support in older browsers. Now, to understand the standard and versions of JavaScript, we first need to have a brief history of JavaScript language. So, JavaScript was developed by Brendan Eich in 1995 when he was working as an engineer at Netscape. And he created JavaScript for Netscape browsers. And Netscape 2 was the first browser to run JavaScript programs. JavaScript was initially named as Mocha and then it was renamed to LiveScript the same year. And due to the popularity of Java programming language at that time, it was decided by the creators that naming this new language something similar to Java, it would help in increasing its popularity. And this was purely a marketing tactic and it has nothing to do with Java programming language. And hence, it was again renamed to JavaScript from LiveScript. The JavaScript language proved to be a great tool for Netscape browser and other browsers looked to adapt it. And for this to be possible, the need of standards for JavaScript language come up. And 1 year later, the language was submitted to an organization called ECMA International for creating new standards for JavaScript programming language. And then JavaScript programming language changed to become ECMA. Now remember that ICMA is a standards organization for information and communication systems. So JavaScript became an ICMA standard in 1997 with the release of ECMAScript 1 or ES1. Okay, so the first official release of JavaScript is called as ECMAScript 1. The version of first official release of JavaScript is called as ECMAScript 1 or ES1. And again, ECMAScript is a specification which is used by JavaScript language. There are many other languages like JavaScript which implements ECMAScript specification. For example, ActionScript and TypeScript. So ECMA is a standard used for JavaScript language. ECMAScript is a specification to which JavaScript conforms. Alright, so just to avoid any confusion, JavaScript is the name of the programming language and ECMAScript is the standard which this programming language uses. And the versions of JavaScript is also named after ECMAScript like ECMAScript 1 or ES1, ECMAScript 2 or ES2, ECMAScript 5 or ES5 and so on. So I hope now you know what is ECMAScript and how it is related to JavaScript. Now let's talk about the different versions of JavaScript. So the first version of JavaScript was released in 1997 and it was called as ES1. This version implements the core functionality of JavaScript like variables, functions, objects, control flow, etc. The next version of JavaScript was ECMAScript 2 or ES2, which was released in 1998. This version did not contain any major changes. It has minor revisions and clarifications. Then ECMAScript 3 or ES3 was released in 1999. And in this version, regular expressions, try-catch error handling, switch statement, do-while loops, etc. were introduced. ECMAScript 4 was never released, and fast forward to 2009, ECMAScript 5 or ES5 was released, and it introduced many new features in the JavaScript programming language. It introduced features like strict mode, it also introduced some new array methods, and many more features. And it has so many features that it took many years for the browsers to implement all these changes. Currently, ES5 is supported in all modern browsers. And ES5 also have support for older browsers. And in older browsers, using JavaScript ES5 is safe. Okay, so you can use ES5 version of JavaScript both in modern browsers, because modern browsers also have support for ES5, and you can also use it in older browsers. Now, after 2009, the next version of JavaScript was released in 2015, and it was called as ES6 or ES 2015. And this version of JavaScript has the biggest update to the language ever, with a ton of new features. It introduced features like let and const keyword to create variables. It introduced arrow function syntax, class syntax, template literals, destructuring syntax, modules, promises, etc. So it introduced a lot of features, and it was the biggest update to the JavaScript programming language ever. Now, you'll find many people calling this version of JavaScript as ES6, but the official name for this version is ES 2015 or ECMAScript 2015. Now, ES 2015, it is well supported in all modern browsers, but ES 2015 or ES6 does not have support in older browsers. So older browsers can support JavaScript till version ES5, but older browsers does not support ES6 version of JavaScript. You cannot execute JavaScript code written in ES6 version in the older browsers. For example, in your code, if you are creating let and const keyword to create a variable, if you try to run that code in older browsers, since let and const keyword were introduced in ES6, older browsers does not support ES6. So that code will fail in older browsers, but it will run fine in modern browsers, in new browsers. Okay? And after the release of ES 2015, ICMA changed to an annual release cycle. So now a new version of JavaScript language is released every year with just few new features per year, instead of shipping a huge new version every couple of years. Okay, so after 2015, ICMA releases a new version of JavaScript every year. So in 2016, the new version of JavaScript called ES 2016 was released. In 2017, the next version of JavaScript, ES 2017, was released. And the latest version of JavaScript is ES 2023. Now, in this course, we are going to cover all the features and the basic concepts of ES5 as well as ES 2015 and later versions of JavaScript. We have already covered some of the modern features like creating variable using let and const keyword. And we have also talked about the basic concepts like objects, arrays, loops, etc., which was introduced in the first version of JavaScript. We are going to talk about strict mode. We are going to talk about array methods, which was introduced in ES5. And basically, we are going to talk about all the features, all the concepts related to JavaScript from ES1 to the latest version of JavaScript. So in this course, I will try to cover each and every feature from the very first version of JavaScript to the latest version of JavaScript.